today's video, I'm going to be making cucumber water. You're going to need cucumber and water. On to the recipe. I added 2 bottles of water. Now I'm adding the cucumbers in there. I did save 1 slice for a garnish. I'll make sure I got a couple slices for the garnish. And then we're going to put it in the fridge overnight. I took the cucumbers out of it. I ran it through a strainer to get the seeds out. I already had 1 glass of it as plain cucumber water, but now I'm going to be adding some lime juice to it to give it an extra flavor. 2 tablespoons of lime juice going in. Now, if you want to squeeze a fresh lime, go for it. I'm going to mix it up. And I'll be drinking that now. I'll set it up for serving now. So you have 2 different ways to serve it. You can serve it as plain cucumber water, with just cucumbers and water, or you could add lime juice. If you want to add some pink Himalayan salt, a little bit in it, to boost your electrolytes, you can do that too. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Have a good day.